Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what we think is the best baby boy overalls for ages 12 to 18 months. It's the Little Planet by Carter's unisex baby organic cotton gauze overall jumpsuit, and it's an absolute standout. Right off the bat, this jumpsuit catches your eye with its beautifully soft blue creek solid color, calming, neutral, and perfect for any baby wardrobe. But what really makes it special isn't just how it looks, it's what it's made of and how it's made. Crafted from 100% organic cotton gauze, the fabric is not only breathable but also extremely gentle on sensitive baby skin. You're getting that lightly textured, airy feel that keeps your little one cool and comfy during warmer months. It's certified organic by the Global Organic Textile Standard, which means it's gone through strict environmental and social criteria at every stage of production. That's peace of mind for any parent. Now, let's talk about the design. It's sleeveless with adjustable straps, so it grows a little with your baby. That extra flexibility really matters when babies are changing sizes so quickly. On the front, it features faux wood buttons that add a touch of charm, while being baby safe. No worries about splinters or breaking in the wash. There are side pockets too, which might not mean much to a newborn, but they sure add to the adorable, mini grown-up look. What's also great is the practicality. The jumpsuit is machine washable, so even if your baby's a little explorer and gets messy, cleanup is quick and easy. And because it's imported with high-quality stitching and finishing, it holds up well even after multiple washes. This jumpsuit is available in a full range of sizes, from newborn all the way up to 24 months. But if you're shopping for a baby boy in the 12 to 18 month range, this is right in the sweet spot where both comfort and fit really matter. The roomy shape makes it ideal for crawling, toddling, or even napping. At $22, it's a solid value. It may not be the cheapest on the market, but you're getting an organic, sustainable piece with thoughtful design and trusted Carter's quality. It's stylish, functional, and baby safe, just what you'd want in daily wear. If you're thinking about building a minimalist baby wardrobe or looking for a soft, breathable outfit for daycare, a family photo shoot, or just everyday play, this one should be high on your list. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique. We'll be back soon with more honest reviews that help you shop smarter for the ones you love most. Thanks for watching.